So the myth about getting 3 competitive quotes this day and time here is we talking about, acquisition companies or whatever, one acquisition company owns a bunch of companies. And here in this area here is a big myth because there is a monopoly going on in this area of one big conglomerate company that owns several businesses. So if you went out and got 3 competitive quotes, you would very well be getting a quote from the same owner. And I think at Mallard Air here, me and Ethan both will agree on this because we preach it daily is, when Mallard Air comes out to your house and all, if we do our job properly and we educate and inform, you hear Ethan talk about that. That's a slang that he brought here with him, and I heard it before me and him even started Mallard Air and being a hometown company is if we educate and inform and do our job at Mallard Air, there shouldn't be no reason to get 3 quotes. And today, in this industry, you have to be very careful because we know for a fact in this area, one company owns 3 or 4 businesses. And so if you call to get another quote, the price isn't going to be the same. They're going to say, hey, I would just talk to them. And it's going to be a different number, but the same people. And at Mallard Air, if you want more information on this, please give us a call or contact us at our email.
I would say that when it comes to people getting multiple quotes for systems or jobs or even repair tickets, I feel as if Mallard Air brings enough value to the table where there shouldn't be the need to do that. Obviously, we missed the boat somewhere. We didn't have the connection with the customer or something whenever those things do happen, the rare times that they do. But with that being said, we know it's going to happen. These are things that happen in the industry. And when they do happen, we want our customers to know that we do offer an apples-to-apples comparison. And we'll be glad to lay our estimates out, whether it be a repair or replacement, and show them why we're at the price we're at, why we're lower or higher than our competitors. And 100% of the time, without a doubt, Greg will tell you this, we look at it all the time when it does happen, because if that happens, Greg and Ethan are getting involved. We want to know why the customer doesn't feel confident using us. 100% of the time, the competitor is not doing what Mallard Air planned to do in the home. They're not upsizing the return when it needs to be. They're not pulling permits. They're not running new gas vent. They're not fixing the ceiling in the closet. They're not resurfacing the platform. They're not cleaning the return. They're not putting air cleaners in. They're not sealing the duct up, whatever it may be. We make sure to go above and beyond. We go the extra mile to make sure that when we do a job, we can leave in confidence. Customers not have to call us back. Anybody can come behind us and they're going to be able to say, hey, these guys did the right thing. They did exactly what needed to be done. And when you get 3 quotes, you're going to have the people that aren't going the extra mile and making sure everything gets done. And obviously that cost. And if you look over a 5 or 10 year period, it probably costs more to go with the lesser quote because you're going to have somebody come out and spend money at a later date to fix the issues that weren't fixed on hand originally. When we come in, we put a 10-year warranty on everything we do, so you won't have to spend a dime on it if we were to mess something up for some reason. And we give free second opinions. So if you do want a second or third or fourth quote or option or opinion from a professional, we'll be glad to come in and do that at no cost to you. A major factor that plays into this is we go behind people a lot of times where things were misdiagnosed and it's not time to replace the unit. We can save you money because it's not time to do this or that, what our competitors have recommended, and we come in and fix it and it's not costing you nowhere near as much money. You're getting extra life out of the system. We try to bring everything back up to manufacturer specs, and you're able to save a lot of money for this, and it also gives you time to prepare for when it is time to replace. If this is something you'd be interested in hearing more about, give us a call at 251-225-4035.